Hi, my name is Mohammed Abdalla, and I'm the founder and president of Good Faith Energy. Today, we bring you back to the site where it all started, our very first solar PV installation, which also happens to be my mom's house. Back in 2014, I found myself, a recent college graduate, searching for employment. I started doing some research on solar energy and realized solar had so many benefits that we could take advantage of. And that's when I started looking into putting solar right here at this site. First, I started with an exercise from the Plano Solar Advocates, which helped me gather up all of our energy bills to take a look at what size solar system made the most sense for our home. After completing my research, I contacted a few local installers to see what kind of estimates I could get, and that's when I found a huge opportunity. There was a lack of transparency, a lack of education, and a lack of professionalism, so I decided to take matters into my own hands. We designed and engineered our first system, we took it to the city of Plano for permitting, we installed it ourselves, and we commissioned it back in 2014. Here we are, a couple years later, taking a look at how the system is performing. Good Faith Energy, since day one, has had a mission to preserve the environment, to invest in our community, and to provide the highest level of customer service for all of our clients. Good faith means the preservation of your environment, the investment in your community, and delivering an exceptionally high level of customer service day in and day out. Good faith is about educating your customers and empowering them to make the best decisions they can make for their homes, for their families, for the community, and for the planet.
Hi, my name is Angie. I'm the owner of a new company that started about a year and a half ago called Doodles of Pearls. I'm also a mom, which is my heart. I've got 3 children and a husband, so that makes 4 kids actually. You know, here's the thing. We were looking for a home that we could use to further our business, and we picked this one. And one of the main reasons why we chose this home is because of the solar panels. We run the companies out of our home, and we use a lot of electricity. Your kids use a lot of electricity. They forget to turn the lights off all the time. And we always have our lights going, so TVs, iPads, phones. And so this house has really been beneficial for all of us, each one of us, because it saved us money. It saved us money on the bills, on the electric bills. And hey, it's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful product. You guys need to get this for yourself. I'm telling you, it's awesome. Save some money, moms and dads, because those kids aren't going to shut those lights off.